Welcome back, guys. Griddle guys are here. We're in Nate's garage.
Freezing.
It's freezing out. I don't know why we're doing this, but we are. You guys keep asking for more videos, so we're going to do one tonight. What do we get on for tonight? That's the big secret, the big thing that we did.
So I just said don't turn on the camera because they're going to pull up in a minute.
That's all right. We can go.
All right. So, we're going to do the beef Wellington that we sort of gave you a teaser in the accessories video.
Right.
So we're going to walk through. It's a quick cook. It's a quick fun cook. And by the way, we had a bunch of subscribers guess.
Oh, yes.
What it was.
The funny stuff there.
Yeah. Well, we got more of the funny
The
stuff.
chips. Yeah.
So, actually, a bunch of people got it, but the subscribers that got it, some of them, Dave Ball in West Virginia, you got it. Bobby Catton, I hope I'm saying that right. Good guess, Bobby. Tony.
Just Tony. Next one is.
Oh, Just Tony.
Yeah.
Subscriber name Just Tony. You guessed it right. Mike.
Petricone.
Petricone. Yeah.
Something like that.
Iowa Matt, you've had some funny comments. You got
Iowa
it right.
Matt, always right on key.
Ads Rentals, appreciate your support. You're on there all the time too, and you got it right as well. So
Some funny answers, guys. We appreciate it.
I forget who the guy was. What did he guess?
Mongoose balls? I don't know.
Yeah. Moose gonads.
gonads.
Somebody guessed moose gonads. Yeah. But anyways, it was rice paper. So let's get it on.
Quick, easy cook. We're freezing.
All right. So this is super simple, guys, and it comes out really good. But here's all you need, right? It's like 3 ingredients. We got some filet mignon. That's USDA choice. We've got some button mushrooms, spring roll wrappers, salt and pepper. So
What about the Jack Daniels? That doesn't go in it?
that goes in Jeff's belly.
Oh, okay.
It does. Anything to stay warm.
Yeah, actually, that's why we made this crock pot of chili, because it's like 29 degrees out here, and you may not realize how long it takes us to film these, but we've been out here a while.
Yeah.
Take the edge off.
Very
the
good
coals.
chili, Nate. Good call. I like that.
Definitely.
So you got to slice the mushrooms thin. I like to take the stem off just because it makes it easier to wrap. But you want these kind of thin because if you make them thick, they put out moisture, and they make the rice paper wrapper kind of explode or not stay whole, I guess I would say. But you want to get these on the griddle first. We want to get them browned up and off the griddle and get them cooled down before we go into the rice paper wrapper. So, Chris, let me get these over to you.
All right.
Those are all yours.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. And then moving on to the filet, you can cut the filet into whatever size you want. The rice paper wrappers are actually big. So I don't know if it says what size they
What is
are.
it, like 8-inch?
Doesn't say, but sure. Jeff says 8-inch, I believe him.
At least 8 inches. That's a French-Canadian 8 inches.
So I kind of like to do what I consider like a 2-bite, almost like a chicken nugget size. So this little piece on the end here, I mean, there's like, we're just going to take that off. Get rid of that guy. Get rid of that guy.
What are the green onions for? Is that just for garnish?
That's just for garnish. Yeah. So I come through here and just kind of eyeball it. That's it.
Did we mention it's freezing out?
My fingers are cold. Without a doubt, my fingers
This
are cold.
camera is cold. I'm holding a metal box.
That is done. And we are going to season the shit out of these guys. And the reason why is because the rice paper wrapper sucks up. I don't know, it seems like it takes a lot of the flavor away. You know, like you can taste a lot of the rice paper wrapper and it takes sort of away from other stuff. So we're going to hit these real heavy with seasoning. You can do whatever you want. I'm just doing salt and pepper.
Nice. The beef looks great.
Yeah, actually, I kind of lucked out because there was none in the market, and the butcher happened to walk out, and I said, "Hey, you got any fillets?" He said, "I'm cutting them right now."
Nice.
So
Perfect.
he brought out like 10 packs, and I picked the 2 that looked best.
Nice. Those look a lot bigger than the last time you made them.
Yeah, they're a little thicker.
Are they a little bigger?
It's a thicker cut. So I know this looks like a lot of seasoning, guys, and it is, but it's just going to enhance the overall final flavor. All right, hit these again, and we'll come back to you after the mushrooms are done.
Mushrooms are going, Jeff.
Oh, I thought you were gonna go super close up on Chris's head because
That might be dark. No, get out of here.
All right, so mushrooms are done. Chris did a great job on them, as you can see. Just pulled them off. I got the griddle on high.
They gave me the hard job.
Gave you the hard job. Hit it with a little oil.
Jeff's got the hard job. He's eating chili.
Chili's awesome.
Guys, this is quick. All we want to do is put a little gray color on each side.
All you want to do is not mess it up.
Really, I mean,
Don't
so
overcook it.
Please.
if you try to get a sear on it, the pieces are so small that by the time you finish cooking them, they're going to be medium or medium well. The three of us, we like it. We like them rare.
Yeah.
So for us, it's literally, this is not ready to eat. We're just getting color on each side,
I've said it before.
and then we're going to pull them off.
It should be called beef Rarrington,
Yeah, right?
not Wellington.
That's really good cut of steak.
Yeah, yeah, it looks good. So that's it. Just start flipping them.
Okay, don't want my hands up.
Try to get rid of the frostbite.
Yep.
Got his two-handed scraper right here. If you haven't bought one yet, you should buy one.
Yeah.
This
Seriously.
thing is key.
So that's it. I mean, I am not browning those. Hopefully the camera focuses.
Wow, it's quick. You can already get a nice little brown on it.
Yep. I mean, if you like your beef medium, then you can go further. But if you're looking for something red in the middle, you got to be this fast.
Heat's on high, you said?
Heat's on high.
Yeah.
You got that plate?
Yeah.
Got a couple of these that are going to come off. Start with that one.
So after you wrap these, they're still going to cook a little more. So
They're going to cook a lot more. It takes a bit of time
Yeah.
after we wrap them.
So I mean, I don't know if you could see that, but it's definitely.
Looks good.
Yeah, they're like I said. This is so. When I first made them, I brought these in the house, and I had them sitting on the counter. And my wife said, "Oh, would you be mad at me if I grab one of them?" And I'm like, "No, you'd be mad at me because
Yeah,
it's
right.
completely raw on the inside."
Smells good.
Yeah.
Okay, did I hit them on all sides? Try to get them on all sides.
And then wrap them in candy.
Another 10 seconds. We should be done. Yep, that's it. That fast.
Minute and a half, maybe, total time.
As long as you get a little bit of color on all sides, you're good. And now we're gonna let everything cool down. Put the griddle down to medium. Actually, put it down to low because it takes a little bit of time to wrap. So put it down to low. All right, let's get ready to wrap. All right, so I put a pan of water on the griddle. If you're in the house, you don't have to do that. It's just, I think we're down into the 20s now at this point. So I have this burner off. I have this burner on low just because that water's gonna cool off real fast.
Freaking cold though.
It is cold. It is cold. So
Testament to the Blackstone Griddle that it still puts out heat.
Yeah.
yeah. So I got like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got probably about 10 pieces of beef. So I'm gonna cut about 10 wrappers. The rice paper wrapper is the easiest way to cut them. I tried with a knife. I got a stack of 4 here. Didn't your mom tell you not to play with scissors?
Ah, my finger.
That was one take, by the way.
He was nervous about it. Scissors, so I'm gonna cut, you can cut them, you wanna cut them so you can wrap your beef, right? So you don't wanna make them real small. So I just kinda square them off and take some of the edge off, like. I think these are actually starting to freeze.
Sounds like it.
We're not in Canada, but it is cold.
So I do that, and then you wanna keep these. These you can fry up and make a, well, you'll see.
treat.
Jeff's gonna
treat.
fry them up for us.
Yeah.
But so anyways, we're gonna get through, what'd I say, I have 10 pieces of beef?
10.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get through 10 pieces of rice paper so that they wrap around the beef. Good. All right, so you take your little square of rice paper. Got our warm, hot-ish water over here. I shut this burner off. I don't know if I mentioned that. I think I did, but just need to get in the water, maybe just get it wet.
Pliable.
Yeah, you don't have to let it sit in there. Put it down on the cutting board. I like to wait a couple of seconds. Makes it a tiny bit softer. Grab a piece of beef. Actually, Chris, do you mind?
Oh, the mushrooms too. Right?
Yeah. Can you throw some more salt and pepper on the beef while I was sitting there? Again, I like to season these heavily. So take a single mushroom, get it on there. You can't let the paper sit too long or it'll basically stick to your cutting board. But just like rolling a burrito, right?
A normal size burrito.
There you go.
Well done, sir. Well done.
We'll do another one.
No, Wellington, sir.
Beef Wellington done. Let's try one of the big ones. Is that gonna fit in there? Might do that one on a diamond. Let's give it a shot.
First it takes a bath.
I tell you what, it feels good sticking my fingers in the hot water. It does. All right. Oh, I said a diamond. Let's do that. Let's get this big fella there. He might be a 2 mushroom guy.
That's mine. I'm calling dibs on that
I was
one.
just gonna try that.
Achoo!
He sneezed all over it, so I get the big one. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
It's like folding a burrito.
Tuck it in nice and tight.
Nice.
Smooth that over. I don't know. It's almost like a, look at that.
That was
Perfect.
good.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna wrap the rest of these up, and then we're gonna throw them on the griddle, right?
Who's gonna wrap the rest of these?
Me, not me.
Whoever's fingers are coldest. Yeah, let's get them wrapped. All right, look how cute they came out.
Cows in a blanket.
These actually rolled better than the other time I've done them. But the final step. Now we're just gonna drop these on the griddle, brown them on all sides, and they don't even have to be like fully brown. But they do stick to the plate a little bit, which is why I'm using my hands to pick them up. And then you cook them. If you've cooked mozzarella sticks,
Same thing.
same thing.
Keep rolling.
Just keep rolling. You want to do a little pool of oil as I get them down there? We have the griddle on about medium right now, just because we cook them so rare, the first step.
Your garage pitches this way.
It's not the griddle, it's my garage.
It's good.
You know what, Chris? Next time you come back, I'll have that taken care
Yeah,
of. I'll bring in a
can you
concrete
move it?
truck. Bring in a concrete truck, have them add a couple inches over there. Just right here, just where the griddle is.
Yeah. Literally, guys, like every 30 seconds, just give them a little roll, go a little turn. This one's mine, by the way. That one right there is mine.
I think that might be the 7th time you said that.
I just want to make sure we're clear.
So, knock off beef Wellington.
You say knockoff, I say delicious.
It is delicious. It's not, you know, everybody gets a little bit of the filet.
And it's not pork rind. What a lot of
pork
guesses.
rinds. A lot of
A
people
lot of
guessed
guesses
that it
of
was
pork
pork
rinds. It's not. But good guess, I think.
Yeah. I foresee more rice paper stuff in future videos. We're thinking taking shrimp.
Yeah.
Wrap shrimp, rice paper.
Well, people want us
Do
to
like a chili sauce.
People want us to
dip in
do
that.
shrimp and grits. Now we're grits guys. We're grits guys.
I don't know that we'll claim that just yet, but
I can't wait to see the comments on grits.
Yeah, I know.
I was surprised when Jeff was like, just water and grits. I'm like,
That's it.
That's it? Really? What'd you think, Jeff?
I thought that they were pretty mild, bland essentially. So you can kind of make them whatever you want,
I think that guy's gotta be turned. Yeah.
which was nice.
One guy said it right. He goes, hey, butter and a lot of pepper. And I think we did that. And I liked it. So.
I think we could have went with 2 sticks of butter and that much grits. And really, I think it would have been just right. But yeah, salt and pepper definitely helped. But it was good. It was a different texture.
I liked it.
I'm looking forward to making them again.
Yeah.
I want to make them with chicken stock and Parmesan cheese
That's a good call.
Yeah.
Chicken stock would be actually instead of water.
instead of water.
Yeah, that's a great call.
Yeah, and then a lot of salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I'll do that next week.
Let's do
as
that
a side.
tomorrow. We still have some left, don't we?
I'm not doing it. But that's fine.
Next time we do a cook, I don't care whose house it's at, we're doing a fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need something to stand next to and warm up a little bit. These are looking good, Chris.
Yeah, they're almost done, I think, Nate.
A couple sort of, some, like this guy needs to be put on this side. Sometimes you gotta lean him against another one. And guys, if you're making these at home, they don't have to be, you don't want this, right? You don't want it completely raw, but you don't have to brown them either, right? As far as the rice paper goes. As long as you get each side down for a little bit, you're good. And I mean, it's rice paper, so it's not
Still,
like
and it's still cooking the meat, just a little bit, not a lot, right?
But it's not like the rice paper is a raw product. You could literally dip it in water and eat it. It's cooked rice.
Jeff already did.
Back the camera up, Jeff. Back the camera up.
Yeah, it was really good.
Jeff already did.
How's that?
Done.
Knockoff beef Wellington.
Knockoff beef Wellington.
Beautiful.
Cooked
It
in
is beautiful.
22-degree weather.
Yeah, it's cold.
It is beautiful. It is really
Came
beautiful.
out really good.
I mean-
I want to taste it. Can I have a piece?
You can take your piece that you've been calling
Put it
all night.
Is it this one?
Yeah, that's that one, the biggest one.
I'll
Yeah.
take a bite right there. Oh my
See,
God.
hold the inside up to the camera so they can see it. So what did we hit? About a medium there? Medium rare?
Medium. Yeah.
Medium rare.
Nice.
That was real. That's good.
Yeah, perfect.
That's delicious.
So we're probably rolling them around on the griddle about, what, 6 minutes?
I absolutely love these things.
Oh, it's filet mignon
These
and
things
little
are
pastry
so
type.
good. But the crunch,
Yeah, it's a nice little
the
snack.
mushroom, like it retains some of the moisture, but you still get the, oh,
This is good.
You know what's funny about these too is if no one saw you cook them and you put these out, like when you have people over, they have no idea what they're gonna get when they pick it up. They don't know they're getting a hunk
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
filet
Yeah.
mignon in their mouth, you know? So
Tasty,
anyways,
guys.
it's seasoned perfectly too.
so that all the salt and pepper helped?
Yeah.
you
Doesn't
go.
taste over the top, tastes just right.
Awesome.
Nice.
Well done, Nate. We're gonna do a lot more stuff with this stuff. Like we have to.
Yeah, I want to do the shrimp like we're talking about. Well, I'm not gonna eat the shrimp, but you guys can do the shrimp. Anyways,
Well, like, subscribe, share,
try this. It's
try
fun.
this. This is an awesome cook. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, guys.
We'll see you guys soon.
See you in the next video. Good stuff, Nate. Yummy!
Nate, that
Even
is,
though I'm freezing!
that is really good.